Hi everyone, welcome to my video on the law of attraction for kids. Before I begin, I have to say I was an avid reader as a kid, loving my fiction books, which took me to a fantasy land, giving me an overall unrealistic expectation of life and relationships and how things happen. In the past few years, I have been reading books about the law of attraction, and I'm sure you know the most popular one, Think and Grow Rich. And there have been many others written that talk about the same thing, the power of the mind and of setting goals for yourself and taking you towards success. I have read these books, put them into action, and am fully convinced of the power of the mind. Now, I am someone who has extensive experience caring for children, and I know that they are so much more capable of learning big ideas than we give them credit for. My question is, why are we not teaching this stuff to kids from a young age? We know, and it has been proven, that they learn best through stories. So why are we giving them stories that teach them that they should be waiting around for someone else to come save them or solve their problems, teaching them to be dependent on others? The children we are raising today are being exposed to the world of social media, which, let's be honest, doesn't really build up one's self-esteem. We need to be teaching children that their destiny is in their hands and they have the power to influence their future in order to get what they want and achieve their goals. The resources given to you in the link below will help your children grow and learn about the law of attraction so they can be the best they can possibly be and achieve the success you want them to achieve. Click the link below to get these ebooks, audiobooks, videos, and games. Start giving your child the best shot at an amazing life.